Ram Narayan Ram. Religion and action, dharma and karma, are often described as two sides of the same coin. Many people believe that our actions are our religion, while others say that protecting religion is the greatest action. What does our revered Guru Balak Brahmachari ji say on this subject? Let us attempt to understand his perspective on what religion and action truly mean. In ancient times, everyone believed that action itself is religion. No matter which religious scripture you read, you will find the same principle emphasized. Guru Balak Brahmachari ji teaches that actions are not performed by humans but are governed by the universe that created and nurtured us, namely, the sky and nature. Everything we have today is a gift from these forces. The sky, earth, water, air, and energized 5 elements form the foundation of everything. Without these, how would we breathe or survive? Therefore, all actions happen through these elements, while humans merely contemplate and follow principles. Meditation, as explained by Guruji, is a form of sound energy that energizes the 50 trillion souls residing in our bodies. It strengthens us, gives us life, and enhances our ability to think and understand. Many might wonder where this sound energy comes from. It originates from nature. Hence, nature, the universe, and the cosmos are everything that give us life and guide our actions. When you connect with the mantra Ram Narayan Ram, you align with the entire universe. This seed mantra contains the essence of the cosmos. Today's society has advanced greatly and become more enlightened. Everything, humans, objects, plants, is evolving every moment. Therefore, humans must focus solely on progress, development, and success. Everything we have today comes from the sky and nature. The 5 elements sky, earth, water, air, and energy form the foundation of our existence. Without them, survival is impossible. Therefore, humans must contemplate and live by the principles of nature. The sky created nature, which in turn created the universe, and from the universe, we all came into existence. Everything is interconnected. These forces provide us energy, awaken our consciousness, and shape our wisdom. Whether our actions are right or wrong, it is our conscience that guides us. Hence, do not waste your time on meaningless matters. Do not belittle others or establish ownership over things. Simply live by the laws of the sky, follow the principles of nature, and connect with Ram Narayan Ram. Your life will be blessed, and you will develop a positive mindset, enabling you to make the right decisions in life. We are all part of this vast cosmic family, this infinite universe and galaxy that gave birth to us. Countless planets, stars, living beings, plants, animals, atoms, and molecules are alive, conscious, and creative. The universe does not exclude anyone. The universe itself is the cosmic Ram Narayan Ram. From it arise countless planets and stars. Wherever living beings exist, they are encompassed by Ram Narayan Ram. The universe embodies completeness, integrity, and wholeness, synonymous with Ram Narayan Ram. Nature is the greatest religion, and every individual needs to understand this. When one connects with Ram Narayan Ram, their life becomes stable. Through Ram Narayan Ram, people are always taught to maintain a positive outlook.